Guys, University of Hyderabad, how many types of MBA offering? It's four types of MBA offering: MBA General, MBA Analytic, MBA Healthcare Management, MBA Executive. So MBA General is a 60 seat. They taking in MBA CAD through the taking, and MBA Analytic and MBA Healthcare, MBA Executive they taking CUET exam through the taking CUET through the MBA Analytic, MBA Healthcare, MBA Executive already admission done. Now it's started MBA General application now open. You can apply. MBA General course fee is 2 lakhs. We discuss about MBA General. MBA General then MBA General again 4 types: MBA Finance, MBA Marketing, MBA HR, and MBA Analytics. So first year is everyone is common. Second year they provide you. You can choose in two MBA Healthcare, MBA Finance, and MBA Marketing. Suppose you are interested in MBA HR, then you can MBA Analytic. As usual, 2 you taking. Then course fee is 2 lakhs, and CAT, how much percentile needed in CAT? CAT around minimum is 60. You can apply. You have some category can apply. You have very less CAT score can apply, no problems. But the top people can selected. So great opportunity. You can stay in University of Hyderabad is the nearest to all company. You can appear the interview. You doing now job, can this great opportunity, you got it the job. And the hostel free, like everyone get a hostel, no problem. But an MBA executive not getting hostel. This people is a working professional. They have no class, only Sunday Saturday they taking class on online. But MBA General have class 75% compulsory. MBA Analytics and MBA Healthcare also class 75%. And MBA Analytic course fee is 4 lakhs, and MBA Healthcare course fee is 2 lakhs. So we discuss MBA General. Now it's application done. You have CAT. You can apply now. 2024 batch. Those people are interested can apply it. And MBA General like 2024 May they taking admission, all process done. First you can apply, then after that group discussion, personal interview, then merit list coming, then admission done 2024 May. Then classes start, 1 year's done. After 1 years they provide two optional two core subjects. Suppose you are interested MBA Analytics, MBA Healthcare honors they give you. So, and MBA Analytics MBA Analytics is a 35 seat. MBA Healthcare Management is 35 seat. 30 MBA Analytics is a course fee 4 lakhs, and MBA Healthcare course fee is 2 lakhs. MBA Executive around 2 lakhs. So those people interested, any question can ask me. Now it's MBA General admission started, 60 seat have, so you can apply it. Thank you. And subscribe. Those people interested join University of Hyderabad can subscribe my channel.